Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Fabfitfun summer unboxing. I am seriously so surprised that this is here. I came home and it was on my doorstep and I was like, what is that? I didn't even realize it was time for the summer Fabfitfun box. But I must have known because I did some add-ons, but I guess I just didn't even know that it was going to be here so soon. So this is such an amazing surprise. I love Fabfitfun. I've been getting it for a while now, maybe a couple years, and every time I get it, it's just as exciting as the first time I got it, and you always get so much value. The boxes are $49.99 a month. I do sign up for the yearly subscription. I can't remember if that's any cheaper or not, but I do have a referral code. I have it in my description down below. There's also a $10 off coupon code. If you ever have issues with that, just let me know, put it in the comments or send me an email, because I do know that Fabfitfun changes their discount codes and referral links sometimes. So just let me know if you have any issues. But for $49.99, I'm always getting hundreds, at least $200 worth of products. And that's why I feel like Fabfitfun is so amazing and so worth it. So why don't I just go ahead and show you what I got. I have no idea at all what's in here. I didn't even know I was getting it, so I'm gonna be very surprised. But of course, this box is beautiful. I always save the boxes and then it just comes so beautifully packaged. So the add-on that I did is the Type A deodorant. So it's an aluminum-free deodorant. I've never actually tried a squeezy tube of deodorant before, but I use aluminum-free deodorants, so I like to try out different brands. So I figured I would try this. I'm pretty sure it was very inexpensive. When you shop the add-ons through Fabfitfun, which is another awesome bonus of being subscribed, you get such great deals on so many amazing products. I feel like I'm always trying so hard to resist buying so much during those add-on sales. So this time I only got something that I figured I actually need. So this is in the scent Ocean Mist. Sounds nice. Gabby Douglas is on the cover of the magazine here. And this magazine is cute. It also has the product information in it. They also always give good discounts. So this is 20% off kitchen essentials. Ooh, from the brand Our Place. I might have to look at that because I love kitchen stuff. Ooh, the Green Chef. I haven't heard of that. Is that different from, I can't remember the name of the other one that they always seem to send, but it's a meal kit. I have been wanting to try meal kits. And then, ooh, $50 credit at Bright Cellars. That's a wine delivery service that I really want to try. So some really great discounts here as well. So here is the reveal. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Okay, what is this? Ooh, this is a beautiful Michael Kors passport holder. Oh my gosh, and there's places for cards. This is gorgeous. This retails for $78. I can't remember if I chose this or not. I seriously don't really know anything about this box, but I don't have a passport holder and I wanted one, so this is so perfect. I am so excited. Like, if someone had gotten this for me as a gift, I would have been so pumped. Too bad I don't have anywhere I'm planning to go that I'm using a passport, but hopefully someday. So $78, I'm gonna go ahead and tally up the total retail value of what my box is worth. So we're already way above the cost of the box. Next, I got satin pillow sleeve. So this is a beautiful satin pillowcase. I use a pillowcase pretty much exactly this color every night, and I felt like I was starting to need to get a new one. So this is perfect timing for me to get this. So it's this silver shade, and then it's the cotton on the back. I have been using satin pillowcases for many years now, ever since I heard that they were better for your hair. And I really do feel like my hair has less breakage when I use a satin pillowcase. And this one Silken Pillow Sleeve. Retails for $29.50. That's pretty expensive. Next up, this is a product from Taroko. I don't know this brand. It's foot cream. Sicilian blood oranges. Well, I always am in need of foot products, care products. And this retails for $24. Oh, it's from the brand Cali Cosmetics. So it should heal and hydrate the feet. So this sounds really great for the summertime. Next up, I have Lashes MD Eyelash and Eyebrow Conditioner. I'm pretty sure I remember choosing this product because I love lash conditioners. And this retails for $69.95. This says it has amino acids, peptides, and vitamins to rejuvenate and moisturize the lashes. Really nice. I use lash conditioner, lash primers every day. I don't really see any directions on how to use it, so hopefully I can look that up and figure it out. Ooh, this is pretty packaging. This is from Spongelli. It's hand cream in the scent Coconut Verbena. Definitely pronounced that wrong. Ooh, smells so nice. But I really like the brand Spongelli. I've used their body scrub sponges and foot scrubs, and it's a really nice brand that always smells so nice. And this retails for $18. Next up, I've got Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. This is from the brand The Lifestyle Co. It retails for $42, and it says to refresh your skin by spritzing this soothing aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. I bet that smells beautiful. I feel like this would also be a great hair and body mist, just to smell nice. The next product, I feel like I have so many products in here. Ooh, this is from Winky Lux. It's the Unibrow Eyebrow Pencil. It's a universal brow pencil. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love brow pencils. If you're familiar with my channel, you know that I love brow products, and I have not tried out Winky Lux products that I can think of. So this will be so exciting to try. I'm definitely going to try this out as part of my trying a new makeup product every day series, and this will be a full dedicated review video on this product, and it retails for $16. And lastly, ooh, this is from Kula. It's Mineral Face Sunscreen Matte Finish. I love sunscreen products, sun care, and I've heard so many good things about the brand Coola. It retails for $36, and I love that it's organic, and it is SPF 30. Wow, so that is everything I got. In the magazine here, it shows all of the potential products that you could have gotten in your box, and every single product on here is so good, and I would have been so happy with. And there are so many. Like I'm like, wow, I missed out on so many of these products. But also, everything I got was so high value, like expensive products that I probably would not have spent that much money on if I were purchasing them on my own. So my total retail value comes out to $313.45. That is crazy how much money. Like if I had gone to the store, picked up all these products, and my total came out to $313, I would have been like, what? Like that's so expensive to me, but I got it for $50. Isn't that just like the best deal, the most amazing discount? And these are products that I am so excited about. Every single one of them is a product that I am going to use, that I'm sure I'll use up and get the full value of. So I'm so excited about this. This is an awesome summer box. Let me go ahead and do a quick recap of everything I got. So I got the Winky Lux Brow Pencil, the Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray, the Kula Mineral Face Sunscreen in the Matte Finish, the Silken Pillow Sleeve, the Spongelli Hand Cream, Taroko Foot Cream, the Lashes MD Eyelash and Eyebrow Conditioner, And then the product that I think is probably the star of this box is the Michael Kors Passport Cover. This product is so luxurious to me. There are so many products in here that make me want to travel, go to the beach, things that are still very restricted right now due to everything going on. But I'm hopeful that I'll be able to use these products and enjoy them in beautiful vacation spots. I'm hoping. And then the add-on that I did is the Type A deodorant. Well, I am so excited to watch other people's unboxings now that I know that it's summer Fabfitfun time and that there were so many awesome products that came in the box. I'm so excited to watch those. But if you got your summer Fabfitfun box, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you got in your box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.